My name is Stephanie Czechia, and I am doing the sheep kidney dissection, which is part of the urinary system. Um, Now we cut it in half, and there is the superior portion of the utera right over here, which would come off now into the bladder, which would then transfer into the urethra, which would, excrete urine. So the kidneys are filtration system. We have the cortex up here of the kidney. And within these areas, we have the medulla pyramids, and the columns are also located within over here. We have our renal sinus, which I know is located in here. I'm just not really quite sure if I cut deep enough to actually locate it, and then I was afraid to cut to ruin it. Now we also have our major calyxes, which would be running down right up to the top before into the ureter, which would be coming down over here. And so we have our minor and major calyx, which then runs into your renal pelvis and down into your ureter. And then let's see, I believe that is, the ileum, which would be this whole little area over here. And again, I believe I mentioned the renal sinus before. Then we have the renal columns again over here, the medulla, the pyramids up here, and then the cortex. And then the base of the pyramids would be somewhere down over here. So again, I mentioned that the kidney was our filtration system. Now, kidney filtration occurs as blood pressure forces fluid and dissolves solutes out of the glomerular capillaries and into the capsular space. This forces filtration, and we have 5 filtration layers: the endothelial surface layer, the capillary endothelium, the basement membrane, the glomerular epithelium, and the subpodite space. Now, as it gets filtered through the layers, they're actually filtered based off of their size and shape throughout each layer, and that's how each one takes care of filtration. And that's about it. Just wrap that up with the kidney dissection, and thank you.